Hey everyone, welcome back once again. In this video, we are going to see what should be done after the completion of the graduation. Many times it happens that after the completion of the graduation, some of the students they go for the master's program, or some of the students they go for job. So whether to go for a job or whether to go for the higher studies and what is the right decision, there's a lot of confusion among the students to select one out of these two options. Well, before this I had made one video. It was what can be done after the completion of your graduation. I have given a link of the video here in the description box. Please do check. This series is going to be a special series where you will get idea about what can be done after the completion of your graduation. Whether to go for a job, whether to go for the master's degree program, and a lot of other options which are available. But this video is going to be prominently about the benefits of doing your post-graduation immediately after the completion of your graduation. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. So we as a student, we have influence of our parents or our friends or the peer members. Many times it happens if our friend go for pursuing their master's degree, then you feel like you also wanted to go for it, or if your parents suggest that whether to go for a job or whether to work, and you consider their opinions and take the decision. If you're considering the opinion and making the decisions, then there's a question mark. You need to decide what you like, what you want, and accordingly you should take the decisions. Holding post-graduation degree doesn't guarantee you a job, but the labor market statistical data says that those who have done their masters or PG programs have high employment than the graduates. Let's talk what is the main purpose of doing the post-graduation. The main purpose of doing the post-graduation is to enhance your knowledge, your intellectual level, and your skill sets. Well, there are certain benefits which you get when you immediately go after the completion of your graduation that we are going to see in this video. Number one is a continued link in the study. So after the completion of your graduation, if you immediately go for the completion of your post-graduation, so your link between the study doesn't get break. You will continue your study the way you were continuing for the undergraduates. Next, provides the in-depth knowledge of your subjects. Sometimes it happens like in the graduation, some subjects are just to orient the students, or fundamental knowledge is given in the syllabus, but when you're doing your masters, the same subject is taken to the deeper level. So you get the in detail idea about what is the subject, what all the contents, what is the application, and a lot of other stuff you'll come to know when you're doing your masters. Next is the employability rate. The statistical data which I mentioned previously says that the people, those who have done master's degree program, they have the higher employment rate as compared to just the graduates. Let's take an example here. If in a queue there are 10 candidates who are going to appear for the interview, out of that, let's say 8 candidates are graduate and 2 candidates are postgraduates. So definitely the one who is going to recruit, the one who is going to select them, will have a different way of looking towards the one who has done the masters and the one who is just a graduate. Next is a better job profile. When we talk about the job profile, generally the junior level job profiles are offered to the one who has done the graduation, and generally the managerial level job profiles are available for the one who has done the PG programs. Generally the assistant level jobs are given to the one who has done the graduation, but generally assistant managers or management executive or senior managers or the team leader posts are offered to the one who has done the master's program. Next one is the salary profile. If you have done your master's in any discipline, it definitely helps you to improve your salary prospects. Definitely there's going to be the difference between the work profile which has been offered to a graduate and the work profile which is offered to the postgraduate. So there's going to be the increment in the salary when it comes to the candidate who has already done the master's program. Completion of the post-graduation also helps you for the career progression. Like let's say for example, if there's a guy who has done maybe just a graduation and landed into an industry and started working, maybe after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, when there's a time comes to evaluate the performance and give the increments, definitely they'll think while offering the senior positions to the one who had just done the graduation. So definitely when you have the graduation and when you have the post-graduation, it definitely makes a big difference while offering the career progression. Next one is the attractiveness towards the international job offers. Many international companies or multinational companies, they look for the candidate who has done the master's program into different disciplines, and then they select them on the basis of the kind of skill sets they have. So yes, definitely if you have done your master's program, it helps you to attract or grab the international job prospects. Next is the investment in the future. Yes, doing your master's is definitely the investment in the future. Many times it happens after graduating, students, they go for the job or they prefer to work, and after working maybe for 3 years, 4 years, they again come back in the education and complete their master's. So when you are immediately doing your PG after the completion of graduation, it helps you to do your investment into the future. Next one is the intellectual level. I think in the introduction I had talked about the role or why post-graduation is important, because post-graduation helps you to increase your depth of the knowledge relating to that particular discipline or the domain. Next one is the level of confidence. Yes, if you have done your master's, definitely it helps you to build your level of confidence. The way the PG candidate represent something, or the way they communicate, the way they interact, yes, is stand out from the one who has done the graduation. And the next one is the termination. Yeah, many people don't talk about this point, but yes, I would like to mention this point also here, because when it comes to terminate the people from the organization, the one who is less qualified, the one who is just graduate stands first in the row. Yes, of course, the way you work, the way you have built your network, the way you have connection with the stakeholders of the company, that is also considered. But yes, the one who is just graduate always comes first in the queue when it comes to terminate them or when it comes to fire them. At the last, I would also like to talk about the funding. Only one thing which you need to remember here when you wanted to go for your master studies is the requirement of the fund, requirement of the money for the completion of your studies. So if you have a sound financial background, or if you could go for maybe a bank loan, or if you have someone who can sponsor you, so definitely I'll suggest you to go for the completion of the master degree program. In the next video, we are going to see the benefits of doing the job immediately after graduating. So don't forget to watch that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit on like and the subscription button. Thank you so much.